Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. And if this is your first time here, thank you for joining me. I'm in the thumb of Michigan and I like to do videos on canning and cooking and baking and vintage recipes and life here at Pike Creek Farm. And today I'm part of a collab, an air fryer collab. And I use my air fryer, it goes in spurts. I'm not gonna say it's used weekly or daily, but we really like the food that we cook in it. And I don't cook a lot of fancy things. I cook, potatoes and steak and chicken. We love chicken in it. Today I'm doing quesadillas, and I'm part of a collab that is called Air Fryer Collab, hashtag Sizzle and Serve 25. And there are 3 channels that have organized this. The first is Jamie's Country Living, and then it's Tina with Life at the Piedmont, and Gale at Gale Southern Living. And this is going on through the 6th of January to the 31st of January, Monday through Friday only, no weekends. There'll be videos every day. And there's gonna be a live giveaway on February 3rd on Jamie's channel. And that will be at 4 p.m. Central. And they're gonna have a fun time, I'm sure. And I'll have all that information down below along with a playlist so you don't miss any videos. And like I said, what I'm doing today is a video doing quesadillas. We're watching football tonight, so I'm gonna do some chicken quesadillas. It's pantry challenge, so I am using my home canned chicken and my home canned salsa. This is a mild one, my husband's preference. I'm using some flour tortillas. I'm using some cream cheese. We had an abundance of cream cheese during the holidays, so there was still some. And some other spices I will come up with to season the chicken and put inside with the cheese, and then they will air fry in the air fryer. And I have a Ninja one, and that way it will get nice and toasty and brown on the outside and all ooey gooey in the middle. And just be this is Saturday night, so an easy Saturday night meal. I'm gonna get everything organized and I'll bring you down and we will make these for a super fast, super yummy dinner. And by the way, I don't think I said my name is Renee if you didn't know. So thank you very much for joining me today. I'm gonna use half of a block of cream cheese, kind of as the glue with the chicken and to give it some creaminess. You could leave this out if you don't prefer that. One pint of ugly chicken, and I'm going to drain off the broth. And that'll be used for something. It will, will be used for something. It will not go to waste. I'm going to add the whole pint to this. We might not use all this filling tonight, but then I'll have it for like lunch after church or whenever we do want it. It'll be really fast. Okay, got it out. And I'm going to brush the inside to try and loosen up anything that's stuck, the protein from when you can it. I'm going to put this on to soak. You can use store-bought canned chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken. You can use some leftover chicken breast or chicken thighs. You can take chicken off the bone. Whatever you have. I'm going to add 2 spoons of salsa just to give it some spice, and then we'll have it for dipping. I thought about adding refried beans, but I wanted those as a side dish. Sometimes I do rice that I cook with some of the salsa. That's really good. Okay, this is mixing up now. little bit more garlic, and I'm gonna do a little bit of cumin too, just to give it a zip. Just a slight hint of it. I'm gonna get my air fryer. I'm gonna get it on preheating, 360. And time, it will not take long for these at all. I'm gonna put 8 minutes, but I'll check it before that. So I'm gonna get it preheated, and then we'll show you how we put them together. It's a noisy one. So we're gonna put the filling on half. Okay, it is ready now. It is nice and golden brown and toasty, and the filling is nice and melty. Here's the entire dinner with the toppings and the refried beans. It was a nice dinner. It's crispy on the outside, smoking hot, and just easy peasy. And that's what I like about air fryers. You can get that toasty, crunchy outside on something so easily and so fast. So if you like Mexican, looking for a quick dinner, chicken quesadillas are really an easy air fryer dinner. Thank you for watching. See you next time at Pike Creek Farm.